PACE. It stands for Program of All-Inclusive Care for the Elderly. It is a different and better way to care for older adults, and it's centered on the belief that people can be better served while they live in their own homes. PACE care and services are based on necessity and include transportation, adult daycare, medical care, meals and dietary counseling, case management, therapy, prescription medicine, and home care. A typical PACE day may begin with a home care assistant helping the participant get dressed and ready for the day. Then a PACE van arrives and the driver gives hands-on assistance to the participant from their home to the PACE Day Center. Over 30 Alexian Brothers PACE vans roll out each weekday morning. They are headed to every corner of Hamilton County to pick up older adults at their homes. The transportation that PACE provides is vital to participants and their families.
We are personal chauffeurs for all of our participants, and we give hands-on assistance from door to door.
Transportation to the day center is not the only function of PACE vans. Drivers transport participants to off-campus medical appointments, including dialysis. They also deliver medications, dietary supplements, and disposable briefs to the homes of those who need them. Although transportation is widely recognized as one of the most pressing needs of the senior population, our fleet of vans and drivers make the PACE model of care possible and accessible.
The drivers perform so many functions. They connect the day center and the home, and they make the ride between them enjoyable.
The PACE Day Center not only provides respite for families, it is also a place for social activities. At Alexian Brothers PACE, older adults have the opportunity to be with people their own age, make friends, and socialize.
We have a men's club that enjoys dominoes and talking about sports. We also have visits from musical entertainers, arts and crafts, as well as everyone's favorite, bingo.
Each day brings a new activity at the center. PACE celebrates holidays and the change of seasons, and the kitchen staff works with the center to create special events and surprises. PACE even provides hairstyling services for both men and women.
Getting a haircut and style really makes a difference in the way people feel. Seeing them come back from the hair salon smiling is great.
The Day Center at PACE is part of a holistic way of caring for seniors. A day at the PACE Center is good for the mind, body, and spirit. And if someone doesn't feel well during the day, they can see a doctor in the clinic right down the hall. Alexian Brothers PACE provides primary medical care. Our doctors are fellowship-trained geriatricians, which means they are experts in caring for older adults. We specialize in compassionate care geared to promoting function.
We want to help our patients live at their highest possible level of independence.
Our medical team is on call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We are always available for families to call when they need us. Not only does PACE provide primary care, we also offer eye care, foot care, hearing services, and dentistry at the center. We arrange for specialist care and hospitalization if needed. And PACE is committed to providing care through end of life. Along with medical care, a proper diet and nutrition program can improve overall wellness. Older adults often have unique dietary needs, whether it is a food allergy, diabetes, or the need for food that is easy to swallow. Alexian Brothers PACE makes sure that each meal is right for the individual. Also, simply making sure that participants have something to drink throughout the day helps prevent dehydration, which can be a significant problem for seniors.
At PACE, we try to make sure our older adults get protein every day. We give them things like eggs, milk, beans, meat, and fish. And we also want to ensure that they have calcium in their diet by eating things like dark green vegetables, dairy, or soy products.
The registered dietitians and kitchen staff work together to ensure that each participant is eating the proper diet.
Everything in our kitchen is made from scratch. We write our menus to seasonality of the fresh vegetables we can get from our area. We also use cooking methods that preserve the nutrients in our food. Life's too short to eat bad food. Our job is to make the food nutritious as well as enjoyable.
Older adults sometimes struggle to afford both food and medicine, but that doesn't happen with PACE. Alexian Brothers PACE has a full-service pharmacy that provides all necessary prescriptions and over-the-counter medications to PACE participants with no copays. Medication management is one of the most important aspects of caring for frail older adults. Medicine can be confusing to participants and their families. The PACE pharmacy helps families organize and understand medications.
Our pharmacy can provide pill planners or bubble packaging, which labels each dose with the description of the medication and the time it should be taken.
Before entering the PACE program, people often have multiple prescriptions from several different doctors and pharmacies.
When they join PACE, all of their prescriptions come from our pharmacy. With better medication management, we can improve care and quality of life.
Quality of life is also improved through therapy at the day center. Whether recovering from an injury or needing help with daily functioning, Alexian Brothers PACE participants have access to a therapy department that is dedicated to preserving independence.
We provide physical, occupational, and speech therapies right here in the day center.
As each participant joins PACE, an occupational therapist visits the home and performs a safety assessment. We make sure that those we serve have safety equipment that they need in their homes, such as grab bars and shower chairs.
It's amazing how small changes in the home can lead to large improvements in safety.
The PACE Therapy Department also provides durable medical equipment when it is needed.
We provide splints, walkers, wheelchairs, and other items that promote safety and mobility. Because when it comes down to it, that's what therapy is all about. Keeping people as safe and as mobile as possible.
Coordination of services for each participant is managed by his or her social worker at PACE. Social workers at Alexian Brothers PACE are the bridges of communication between family caregivers, participants, and the PACE healthcare team. Social workers help schedule meetings between families and the PACE